Okay, let's have example number 4. We have f of x equals square root of 1 minus 2x. Okay, again, let's find its derivative. So we have f prime of x is equal to the limit of f of x plus delta x minus f of x all over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. Okay, so we know that our f of x is equal to square root of 1 minus 2x. So our f of x plus delta x would be square root of 1 minus 2x plus delta x. Okay, so let's just simplify this one. We will get 1, negative 2 times x would be negative 2x plus, okay, negative 2 times delta x is negative 2 delta x. Okay, so let's substitute that value or that equation. We have the limit of expression pala. So we have the limit of 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x minus our original function, which is square root of 1 minus 2x all over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. Okay, so as you can see, meron ulit tayong radical number. So again, we are going to use the conjugate pair. Multiply lang natin. So times, okay, ano ang gagawin natin sa conjugate pair? Copy lang natin yung ating pong mga terms. We have 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x. And then, since this minus, we have plus. Okay? Then, copy natin yung ating pong natitirang term, 1 minus 2x. All over, ano yung ating numerator, yun yung ating denominator. So we have 1, square root of 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus square root of 1 minus 2x. Okay? So, again, using our difference of two squares, ang matitira na lang dito ay yung ating pong mga terms without square root. So, magiging square root of 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x squared minus 1 or square root of 1 minus 2x. So, all over, copy natin yung delta x. Then, multiply siya sa square root of 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus square root of 1 minus 2x. Okay, so we can cancel our square root and our squares. Ang matitira na lang ay 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x minus 1 minus 2x over delta x times the square root of 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus square root of 1 minus 2x. Alright. So, pwede natin i-cancel yung ating pong mga terms. So, we have 1 minus 1, that is 0. 2x. So, negative 2x minus negative 2x, that is 0. So, maiwan na lang natin dito ay negative 2 delta x all over delta x times square root of 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus square root of 1 minus 2x. Okay? So again, we can cancel delta x. Ang may iwan na lang ay negative 2 all over square root of 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus square root of 1 minus 2x. Okay, so pwede natin ilagay dito. So we have here the limit of negative 2 all over square root of 1 minus 2x minus 2 delta x plus square root of 1 minus 2x as delta x approaches to 0. Okay? So, ngayon, dahil tayo, yung lahat ng delta x gawin natin 0. So, ito ay isa lang yung ating merong delta x. So, ito ay magiging 0 na automatic. So, we have negative 2 all over square root of 1 minus 2x plus square root of 1 minus 2x. Okay, so kagaya nung kanina, since meron tayong same term dito sa ilalim, we can combine them. Yung 1 minus square root of negative 2x plus 1 square root of 1 minus 2x magiging 2. We have 2, 1, square root of 1 minus 2x. Ayan. Okay, kung titignan natin dito, we have negative 2 and we have here 2. We can actually cancel that out. So, magiging negative 1 all over square root of 1 minus 2x na lang. Okay, kasi maka-cancel natin ito. Negative 2 at saka yung 2 dito. Alright. So, for our conclusion, ano yung gagawin natin? Since ito na po yung ating pong sagot. Okay. Kung mapapansin natin, we again have a radical number. So we have square root of 1 minus 2x in the denominator. So magkakaroon tayo ng katulad kanina, dalawang instances. Una, yung imaginary. At pangalawa, magkakaroon tayo ng undefined value. Okay? Kasi, kung i-equate natin to, yung 1 minus 2x sa 0, we have negative 2x. Mag-subtract tayo ng 0 sa both sides, magiging negative 1 na lang dito. And then, divide both by negative 2. Magiging x equals positive 1/2. So that means, magiging undefined daw po ang ating value at x equals 1/2. Okay? So, sa imaginary number naman, syempre, kapag ito pong ating pong x ay pinalitan natin ng ano bang number ang pwedeng kapag pinalit natin doon dito sa x, magiging negative yung ating value. So, kung ito ay 1/2, magiging negative 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, okay lang yon. Okay lang yon. Magiging undefined. Then, kapag naman ginawa nating 0, okay? So, kapag ang ating pong kapag ginawa po natin 1/2, yung x magiging square root of 1 minus 1, which is 0, no? Tapos, so, undefined yun yung ating value kasi maging negative 1 over 0. Kapag naman ginawa natin, let's say, 0, magiging 1 minus 2 times a 0. So, magiging square root of 1, which is actually equal to 1. So, pwede siya. Pero kapag ginawa natin negative yung ating value, let's say, for instance, ginawa natin square root of 1 minus 2 times negative 1, anong mangyayari? Magiging square root of 1 minus negative 2 times negative 1, that would become positive 2. So, square root of 3. So, pwede rin siya, no? Okay. Paano kung... So, pwede ang negative dito. Kasi negative times negative is positive. So, doon tayo sa positive value. Kapag naman naging 2 ito, yung ating x, let's say for instance, naging square root of 1 minus 2 times 2, anong mangyayari? Magiging square root of 1 minus 4, which is equal to square root of negative 3. So, ito na, magkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag nating imaginary number. Dito papasok ang ating imaginary number kapag meron tayong x equals 2, no? So, yun. Okay, kung gagawa tayo ng number line, makikita natin dito na ang 1/2 po ay open lang siya, no? That means, hindi kasama ang 1/2 kasi magiging undefined yung ating value. So, pwede yung 0 kasi magkakaroon tayo ng, nung chinek natin kanina, pwede yung 0 kasi 1, positive 1. Pwede rin yung negative 1, no? Kasi square root of 3. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng values mula sa ating pong excluding yung 1/2, no? Papunta sa negative infinity, kasama yan siya. So, pwedeng maging value yan. Pero, mula sa excluding yung 1/2, papunta sa positive infinity, hindi pwede. Dahil, ang mangyayari dyan, magkakaroon tayo ng negative value or magkakaroon tayo ng imaginary number. So, kung gagawa tayo ng ating notation, masasabi lang natin na nasa interval ng magiging differentiable lang ang ating pong function at the interval negative infinity to 1/2, excluding 1/2. Okay, so open lang yung ating pong nakaparenthesis lang. So, dito lang sa part na to, magiging differentiable ang ating pong function. Pero, ang pagdating dito sa from 1/2, no, papunta sa infinity, ang mangyayari, magiging not differentiable na yung ating pong function. Okay? Okay, so our conclusion would be, therefore, the function f of x equals square root of 1 minus 2x is not differentiable at the interval 1/2 to positive infinity, or x such that x is greater than or equal to 1/2. Okay? Ngayon, tignan natin kung saan ba continuous ang ating function. Okay? So, try natin i-graph muna siya. So, we have y equals square root of 1 minus 2x Okay, so ito. Mapansin natin dito na starting from 1/2, no? Ayan, 0.5. Starting from 0.5, continuous ang ating function up to negative infinity. Okay? Kasi mapunta siya sa left. So, what does this imply? Okay? Pwede natin sabihin na the function square root of 1 minus 2x is continuous at the interval negative infinity to 1/2. So, brace itong part na to kasi kasama yung 1/2. Or x such that x is less than or equal to 1/2. Okay. That's it.